In today's video, I'm going to show you this really awesome double universe effect, so stick around. Hey, what's up? It's Chris from Brooker Films, and in today's video, I'm talking about this really awesome double universe effect. Now, before we jump into the edit, we need some footage to work with, so we need to go out and capture something. If you have a drone, then this is the easiest way to achieve this effect, but if not, then you want to try and get up to an elevated point, so this could be a building, a hill, a viewpoint. Try and get to an elevated point and capture footage of a skyline. Now, when you're capturing this footage, it is completely fine to pan your camera from left to right, but make sure that you don't tilt your camera up and down because doing so will completely mess the effects up. So once you've captured this footage, we're going to jump into Adobe Premiere Pro and we're going to begin editing this effect. So once you have your footage loaded up in Adobe Premiere Pro, we want to go ahead and we want to duplicate this footage. Now you want to drag that up onto the second video layer. And on the second video layer, we want to rotate this 180 degrees and pull the position of this up. Now we want to go ahead to the first video layer and we want to drag the position of this down. The problem is there is a little bit of overlap from these two video layers, so we want to go into Effects, search for Crop, and we want to drag Crop on top of the second video layer. Now we'll increase the crop on the top layer by 20%. And if we play this back, that is the first variation of the double universe effect now complete. So now that's complete, I'm going to show you a different variation of this effect. So I'm just going to undo all of those effects. And in the Effect tab, I'm just going to search for Basic 3D. We'll throw Basic 3D onto the second video layer. And rather than rotating, we're going to tilt this by 180 degrees. We'll pull the position up, and then we're going to drop crop on top of the second video layer. And rather than cropping the top, because we've rotated this, we have to crop the bottom by 20%. Now if we play this back, that footage is mirrored rather than a complete 180 degree rotation. So this is a slightly different variation. Now the problem that we have is because we've used crop to blend these two shots together, there's a little bit of a harsh line on this shot. So in order to blend this, we're going to get rid of the crop effect. We'll go into opacity and we're going to create a mask around that video layer. So go into the pen tool, draw a rectangle mask around that, and then we're going to increase the feathering to blend these two shots together. And there you go, that is the double universe effect now complete. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe, push that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.